guys, today we will be making an awesome snowflake craft. The first thing you need to do is gather your materials. You will need 6 pieces of scrap paper, a marker, scissors, some tape, some construction paper to use as your background, and a glue stick. The first thing we want to do is trace our hand. So let's find our scrap paper and our marker. Ready? Take the lid off and put it at the back of the marker. Now, put your marker in the hand that you write with and put the hand that you don't write with on the paper. Spread out your fingers, okay? And now let's trace our hand. It's okay if the marker gets on you. We can always wash it off later. Make sure you get in between your fingers, like this. Ready? Let's do it again. Make sure to spread those fingers out wide. And look, I have some marker on my hand, but it's okay. I'm just gonna keep tracing my hand. After I'm done, I will wash my hands. Okay, so now I've traced my hand 2 times. When you're done tracing your hand, you will have traced your hand 6 times. So let's do it 4 more times. Look, now I have traced my hand 6 times. And oh no, look, I have some marker on me. But it's okay. I will wash my hands when I'm finished my whole project. Now it's time to cut out the handprints. Parents, the whole purpose of this activity is so your child can practice tracing their hand. So it might be better if you helped cut out the handprints just because it is a little bit challenging. And remember, we always do thumbs up cutting. And we rotate our paper. Phew, that was a lot of cutting. That's why it might be better if you had a parent help you. So now I've cut out my 6 handprints. So it's time to make our background. Let's get our construction paper and our tape. You might need a parent's help with this step also. So let's see. I want my handprints to be fully on the paper. So I'm going to use 4 different pieces of paper. But you might only need 1 or 2, depending on the size of your hand. So ready? Let's lay them out flat on the table. I might need to move it a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so now let's get our tape. Let's put it, a good piece of tape right in the middle. You have to do that and connect all the pieces of paper, like this. And let's put a tiny piece in the middle too. Okay, now let's flip it over and we'll use this side. So now let's arrange our hands. How do we want this? Let's do it like this. See, we're making a snowflake. So pretty. Okay, now let's grab our glue stick. And we are going to glue the back of our hands. And I use scrap paper, so I'm gonna put the glue on that side. Then I'm gonna flip it over and press down like this and make it all straight. Ready? Let's pat it down. glue down the rest of your handprints. Good job gluing all of your handprints to your paper. But look, we need to twist down our glue stick. And then put the cap on it so it doesn't dry out. There we go, good job. Make sure it's nice and tight. Let's write our name at the bottom of our paper. Remember, all capital letters start at the top. Okay. You can even ask a parent to write the date or maybe the year on your paper. Good job!